Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You all are familiar with computer. Most of today's one day exams contains minimum 5 to 10 questions based on computer subject. So it is very important to know about history of computer. In part first, I have already discussed in detail about abacus, slide rule, Pascaline, difference engine and analytical engine. So let's go ahead. Boolean logic. George Boole published The Principle of Boolean Logic. It was a very important development in the field of computers as it became easy to build reliable electronic circuits representing binary digits 1 for on and 0 for off. Every machine always understand only two conditions. First is on when it is working and the other one is off when it is not working. So that the concept is known as Boolean logic, and you already know that the computer understand only binary language that contains only two digits 0 and 1. Punch card tabulating machine. It developed by Dr. Herman Hollerith in the year 1884. Before 1884, the census work of US is to be done by old methods. The US government gave census work to IBM. IBM is the name of the topmost company of that time. IBM stands for International Business Machine. Hollerith was one of the scientists of IBM. It was used for US census work. The device was capable of completing the census work within 2 years. Next is Howard Mark I. It was the first successful general purpose digital computer developed in the year 1944. Next, in the year 1946, Dr. John have suggested the concept of stored programs to make computers fully automatic. Means he gives the concept of data and programs. Programs are the set of instructions given by the user. In 1946, ENIAC stands for Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. It is the name of computer developed at USA. It was full-fledged electronic computer. Means the name of first electronic computer is ENIAC. Last is UNIVAC. It developed in 1951. UNIVAC stands for Universal Accounting Company. It was developed for commercial data processing. It was used by Columbia Broadcasting System for forecasting the USA presidential election result in 1952. It was used for counting votes. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe my channel for best and deep computer learning at home.